Just above relationships on the triangle is the condition feel safe. Neuroscience, the study of brain function and development, tells us that our capacity to take in new learning is affected by whether or not we feel safe in our interactions and within our environment. Feeling safe ensures the brain remains focused on the academic tasks at hand. When you hear the word safety, you may think of it in reference to physical safety, but it's important to understand that the concept of safety extends beyond the physical to include emotional, cultural, and psychological safety. At home, you strive to create an environment of trust, care, and support by listening to your child, modeling the behavior you seek, and nurturing your child's self-esteem. In doing so, you build emotional safety where your child feels comfortable in taking risks to explore and grow their independence, knowing that you're there to help should they need it. For example, think of a time when you've taken your child to a playground. Your child starts to explore the playground, trying the swing set, then moving to the slide, while all along looking back to ensure you're still there and for reassurance. You make eye contact, and your joyful facial expressions and encouraging words signal to your child that it's okay to explore, to take the risk and go down the slide, knowing that you're there and available to comfort them should something happen. You're creating emotional safety and acting as your child's secure base, the person they'll go to for reassurance when they're uncomfortable or afraid. At school, safety is built through consistent, predictable, and kind interactions between and among staff and students. We feel it's important to think of safety in terms of safety to and safety from. This may seem like a small distinction, but the impact of this understanding is significant. We strive to create learning environments where students feel safe enough to be their true selves, to take academic risks, and to make mistakes. In school, this means feeling safe to meet new people, to work with peers and share ideas, ask questions of educators, ask for help, and accept feedback, all of which are important aspects of learning. This type of safety fosters confidence and develops independence when students know someone is available to provide assistance and allows students to express their authentic selves. Safety from means creating a school environment where students feel safe from things like discrimination, aggression, bullying, and racism. Schools are responsible for doing all they can to keep children safe from being targeted by others personally or socially, and safe to challenge systemic oppression. When feeling safe to and safe from, the part of the brain responsible for learning is fully online and functioning in line with the student's age and stage of development. Thinking about safety from these two perspectives deepens our understanding of the ways children need to feel safe at school and in the classroom in order to access their learning brains, and helps us to understand the importance of acting as a secure base. In the early years, you are the secure base providing the safety needed for learning and exploring. Once children enter school, staff become additional caring adults acting as your child's secure base to support academic exploration, learning, and overall growth and development. The research tells us that children will experience caring adults as a secure base when they are both consistently available to them and willing to hold them accountable for concerning actions or behaviors. We must prioritize availability and accountability because they both matter, not just one or the other. The image of the glasses can help us understand this balancing act. Being available means doing the best we can to be engaged, nurturing, encouraging, and present for children. Daily, brief, small interactions, check-ins, and connections are crucial to demonstrate our availability. Children need to see and feel that adults truly are available if they are to develop trust and feel safety to and safety from. In addition, there ought to be an equal focus on accountability. This means we must have in place rules, routines, and high expectations that are appropriate for the child's age, stage of development, and special or unique needs. This is important as it provides the structure and supports students' need to reach their full academic and human potential. Placing the definitions of availability and accountability in the lenses of the glasses helps us remember that we need to be seen acting in available and accountable ways and strike a balance between the two. The fact that people need glasses for different reasons helps us to remember that the balance between availability and accountability will be unique to each child depending on their needs. Educators and school staff use many intentional strategies as they strive to create and maintain safe learning environments. Listed on this slide are just a few examples of things you may see or hear about from your child.